In this video, we will show you step by step how to adjust the screen brightness and font size on your Garmin watch. First, let's go to the watch settings. If you are using a fēnix 8 or another 5-button watch, from the watch face, press and hold the middle left button for about 2 seconds. Then, use the bottom left button to scroll down to settings. If you are using a Venu 4, press the top button and scroll down to find the watch settings. For other 2-button watches, you can try pressing and holding the bottom button for about 2 seconds, and then scroll down to find settings. The following steps are similar. Press the top right button to enter settings, and select Display and Brightness. There are many display options you can adjust here. Let's go into brightness first. Use the up and down buttons or tap the plus and minus icons on the screen to make the screen brighter or dimmer. Once done, press the top right button to confirm and save the change. Next, scroll down to find text size. Select it to open the adjustment options. Similarly, use the up and down buttons to adjust the size of the text. Once done, press the top right button to confirm and save the change. There are even more settings available. Feel free to adjust them here anytime.